Here's some of them peaches with that brown fungal rot. I'm gonna see what I can salvage from them. But that stuff's pretty aggressive. I just checked on them yesterday, they weren't that bad. And you can see they'll just rot right on the tree and drop. There's probably a couple good ones down there I could get. Try to pull off any of the ones I can see with any visible starting of the rot. It's hard to tell what's like mold spores and what's that kaolin clay I sprayed on them. So I think I got most of the worst ones. I'll just have to keep an eye on them and, you know, pick off any that show any signs as soon as I can. There's one right there. Yeah, that's about it. All right, here's what I was able to salvage. That's what I was not. Got a little worm in here. That's alright, I ain't gonna bug him. That's about it.